So I'm back at my mom's house because today we had to put my childhood dog down because he would just turn for the worse, and yeah, it was time for him to go. Just feels so empty, you know, having your childhood pet for about maybe 17, 18 years. I don't even know, honestly. He's been a part of our lives forever. And having to put him down today literally was one of the hardest things ever. But yeah, right now I have my cat here with me. We let her say goodbye as well. I think she understood that he was gone. But yeah, guys, that's like the only update I have. I will be staying here for like a couple of days, and then I'll be going back home.